Nervous Nick. I'm making tacos. See, I cooked 2 pounds of meat, ground round, 80-20, 80% 20. Green pepper, a whole green pepper chopped up, whole onion chopped up in there, and the cherry tomatoes. You can see them around the edges here. I just threw some of them in there. The two McCormick taco mix sauce, 2 of those, 2 packets, and a cup and a half of water. And what else I throw in there? I put some pepper in there. Right now I'm bringing it to a boil. What do I got left? Well, I got some onions left over here. Guess I'll throw them in. I hope I ain't too big for the bowl here, or for the, pan. Bringing it up to a boil. And I cooked 10 or 11 taco shells. Now, drain the meat. When you're done cooking the meat, drain the meat. 2 pounds of meat I did. So I'm doing a double mix here from the packet. What it says 1 pound of meat. But I put 2 packets. Packets of meat. Like I said, I don't say the tomato sauce and diced tomatoes, but I put a can of each in there. 14-ounce can. 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, and then the two mixes of McCormick taco sauce. Don't matter which one. One was hot and one was like a regular flavor. And I chopped up a whole onion. Usually just put them on your tacos on the side, but I want to get them in there. And now we're up to a boil. Okay, I'm going to turn it down. And cook it for about 5 minutes. Drain off the grease. Once you cook the meat, drain the grease. And I threw some cherry tomatoes in there. I'm going to have more tomatoes on the side for the tacos. Oh, here's the tacos shells I made. Made them bad boys. It takes about 3 minutes in each one. Medium-high heat. I like to use the yellow corn shells, not the white ones. The yellow ones seem like they cook better. It's Nervous Nick. Let me know if you guys want to talk to me down in talk to me in the comments. Let me know if you want some more cooking. I can start this from the beginning, but I got a late start here. I didn't know I was going to film it. Let me know if you want me to do more cooking videos. But right now I'm just trying to get the channel monetized. It still isn't monetized yet. That's where they pay you for the videos and the commercials. See those commercials you guys are seeing, some of those, they're not paying me for those. They you got to have over 4,000 watch hours. And trust me, I'm over like 9,000, but it's over like the last 3 years. You got to have it all in 1 year to get your channel monetized. So I'm up a little over 3,000 right now for the last 12. They only go back 12 months. And you got to have over 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 1,400, something over 1,400. So that's why I'm just throwing these videos up there. I'll throw another laptop video tomorrow. I'm gonna make one about the. I'll show you on the DX. What is that one? Dell Latitude D630. I'm gonna do one on that one. Let's see here. Give it a stir. Yeah, this looks good. I might turn the heat down too low. Let it cook a little bit. Since I got all that juice in there. Tomato juice. And then, it don't matter on the diced tomatoes what brand you use. It don't matter on none of this stuff. Just try to use a good quality taco sauce.